In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Purplle app notifications. If you are receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to put an end to them, then just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To stop Purplle app notification, you need to go ahead and access the app info page. You can do this either through settings, or you can just long press on the app and then choose the second option, app info. If you tap on this, you will land on this app info page. Under this, go to the permissions section and look for notifications. As you can see, all these notifications are on, and among them are permanent notifications, vibration notifications, play sound, lock screen, as well as floating notifications. Now, instead of turning them off one by one, just go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive any alerts from Purplle app unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop Purplle app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.